Hey everyone, this is Design and Technology, and today I'm going to be showing you a build that I coded and I set in a different environment. I think it's pretty cool. Let's check it out. What do we have here? Is that a submerged temple? Let's check it out. Kind of mysterious. What's down over here? It's still in development, but I thought it would be an interesting experiment to create a mysterious pyramid underwater. Oop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a message down below.